pressure from D. Punches it through.
Oh, good ball movement by the Road Warriors. And that's what we were talking about, the spreading of the floor.
Karakot. Forward pass. Escandor with the finish. And he'll have a bonus coming up after this mandatory.
Kung naalala mo, sa simula ng laro, itong Rain or Shine was trying to get to the...
Henry steps into it. Oh, wow!
Wow!
That was right between Gabe Norwood's eyes.
Tsaka nakita mo, bumolfig muna siya na parang ipapasa niya kay Macarthur.
Policarpios, guys!
Just good ball movement still by the Road Warriors. 6 assists now for them.
Na-double team si Henry. Sinali niya yung kanyang rookie. Balik sa 17 ang abante na. Bolic inside the Dominic.
She's got the best name in the league. But a great pass by Robert Bolic. Alam mo maganda dito kay Fajardo, undersized big man. Diba, he can play the wing, but so strong and very...
Ito si Mike Henry. Nieto against the shot clock. Clarito with a steal. And Clarito will make it a 16-0 run para sa Rain or Shine.
Just solid defense by Clarito. Both him, you know, guys like him and Dominic Fajardo play so well with that contact. Play much bigger than they are and get in the head of Mike Henry.
Those two going at it at the weak side as Amer lights it up. Uh-oh, dalawang elasto painter. Nagkabanggaan dito, Belga and Clarito. And Big Bo is down for the count.
Kasi unexpected yun eh. Diba, di mo kita.
Clemente punches it through.
Ano mo maganda dito kay Clemente? He's so young, he's a rookie. Pero yung laro niya, kalmado.
Would have been big. The ball, taken away by Clarito. Rain or Shine is reeling in the second frame.
And you like how they're making plays happen. Diba? Gumagawa sila ng paraan, guys like Clarito. You know, it's not necessarily coming on a play. They're not giving up.
Mamo with a steal. And one! Paragichian!
Ever since pumasok itong group of guys para dito sa Rain or Shine, they have made this run.
And team captain both reminding the referee na pwedeng i-review dahil baka breakaway foul pa. Clarito on the move. Clarito hanging in the air, gets the basket, may kasama pang foul.
Talk about being fearless. Clarito, the most improved player from season 48. 10 points in the ball game. 8 dito sa second quarter.
Ito ang ating best move of the game. Itong huling dalawang foul niya. Susundutan naman siya this time around. Clarito to Karakot.
Kasi hindi siya makadiin ng solid eh. That's why itong si Clarito is able to anticipate that.
Look at Jongson block Bolic in the end. Fuller down low. In traffic. No. Henry trying to barrel through. Goes to the one-legged fadeaway. A la Dirk.
You know, even if he made that shot, you don't want to see that he's actually complaining to the referees.
Yun yung naging problema nga niya. Nice drop-off though. Bolic locating Miranda as Karakot comes back with a 4.
Dati nagtataas ka lang ng 3 fingers eh, di ba? Ngayon, 4 na yan.
Bother that fast break attempt. Bolic for 4. Punches it through.
After a shot like that, you need to be able to make a stop. Diba? To be able to cut down this lead. So defensively, the Road Warriors needing to communicate with each other.
Mike Henry gives it up. Miranda for 4. Punches it through.
Wow. Could this be a career game for Mike Miranda?
It's definitely the best 4-point performance by a local. 4. No go. Fuller cleans it up again.
Offensive rebounds. You know, we talked about the physicality. We talked about yung energy level nitong Rain or Shine. And those two things translate also into offensive rebounds.
21 points, 16 rebounds. Clarito. icing on the cake na ba? Johnson punches it through. And Ranger Shine is on their way to a 3-0 start dito sa Governor's Cup.
You like how all the way hanggang sa dulo, diba? Laki na ng lamang nila, but they are still running that play, being unselfish.
Sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapisyonado.